Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So yet again I've managed to steal little coin shop stuff just for a quick sneak preview because they're releasing these today and there's some stuff in here. Silver hasn't arrived but the gold is here. So we'll do this on the quiet. Not that that was very quiet, probably picked up quite loudly in my microphone. Alrighty, and in here we've got oh wow. Ah, yes, yes. You can see I'm already starting to geek out. So these are a fantastic release. Unfortunately, we can't get them in the Bullion, although they do produce a Bullion version, and another organisation has the exclusive on those, so I can't touch them. But that's okay. But the quality of the product on these is just beautiful, and these are the gold ones, so they're even better. So I love the way they box these things. So it comes with your C of A and looks like this. We'll obviously get some B-roll, but just having a quick look at it like that. That is the 1 ounce gold proof Brumby. So the Brumby's a really popular series, and the thing I love about these is they only produce 250 of them. So they're very difficult to get hold of in the 1 ounce size in the gold. And they are a beautiful coin, like I said, and a very, very popular series. So they've got the Brumby over at a little coin shop. I'm going to stop calling it LCS because no one else knows what I mean by that. But yeah, so little coin shop's got those in stock. And then these also come in in the silver. So obviously, as Matt's alluded to many times, it's the platinum year for the Queen this year, and doing quite well. So I saw her on the weekend, recovering from her bout of illness. But yeah, so they're a little bit misleading on their packaging with this one because they've got platinum in big gold type, but I know this one's actually in gold. But it's a beautiful. You watch, I'll open this and oh no, it is in gold. They have produced it in silver as well. The silver ones haven't arrived yet, but they will arrive fairly soon. Now this is the 1/4 ounce one, which I believe, and I might stand corrected on this, actually I'll have a look on the C of A, it'll tell me here. Yeah, it is. These are a maximum mintage of 1,000. So you can see it still comes in a Perth Mint box. And again, we'll get some B-roll on it. But they're a beautiful little coin and a great way to celebrate the Platinum Jubilee. So yes, grab them while you can. Again, 1,000's not much in these sort of mintages. They will produce them in the silver. And in fact, the silver is what's got me excited about this month's release because there's some really good stuff in the silver as well as the gold coming up. They release, let's see if I can remember because it hasn't, I don't think Perth Mint's dispatched them yet. They're running a little bit behind on it. But in this month's release, we've got the Silver Platinum Jubilee. They've also released the Wombat, the Proof Wombat, which is always really popular. And that's a great one. But the couple I'm looking forward to, there's a 5 ounce Kookaburra, which will be the infused Kookaburra, which looks great. But the two I'm really excited about, one's in this release, which is the 2 kilo concave. It's got a term, and I'm using the incorrect term, but it's a 2 kilo silver coin of the Tiger and Dragon, and it looks fantastic. So we'll definitely highlight that on the video. I'm going to steal it before else our little coin shop gets a chance to, because it looks great. So they've got that coming in. That's released at the start of the month, and they've delayed the other one to the middle of the month, which is I think it's called the Gilded Kookaburra, and that looks the bee's knees. If you've seen some of their other gilded stuff, the Perth Mint does it. The Kookaburra series they've really started to almost experiment with where they're producing the reverse gilding, and they've done some where the rim of the coin is gilded and things like that. So they just look fantastic. So that one I know has been delayed till the middle of the month, but I'm really looking forward to that one. And like I said, the 2 kilo Dragon Tiger will look brilliant as well. So stay tuned for that. But at the moment, definitely Little Coin Shop's got the 1/4 ounce Jubilee in, and that ever popular but very, very limited 1 ounce Brumby in the gold. That's it for now. I better return these before Little Coin Shop realises I've stolen them. I'll talk again soon. See ya.